911. What is your emergency?
Hi, I want to report like a drunk driver or something.
What street are you on?
Okay, hold on a second.
Hi. Cali. Ascendad, Lake Forest, California. 92630.
What's happening there?
Guy just nailed 3 cars.
Okay.
And he's trying to leave.
Okay, what color and type of car is he in?
It looks like a black truck. I don't know what kind it is.
Is it new or old model?
Huh?
Is it new or old model?
Just 2-door. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, come on.
Okay. All right. And then do you know if anyone was in the car that was hit? Do you know if anyone was in the cars that were hit?
I can't see his license plate. He's not going nowhere. The car won't go nowhere.
Okay. So you can't see the plate?
He's struck. You there?
Yeah, you can't see the plate?
No, I'm not going up there, not unless I got my gun.
Is he being violent or aggressive?
No, but he's either drunk or messed up.
Why do you think that?
Because he ain't getting out of the car, and the car ain't movable. He sounded drunk, too.
Okay.
So, I don't know.
2 with 464 Sam 60 for info and 901. Hi, Vincent. 891 Hotel 1. A black pickup hit 3 parked vehicles. County fires en route.
462 units copy. Code 3 from City Hall.
462 down for too dark for the informant to get a plate. The informant states the subject is 390 because the male driver locked the door when the informant went up to the vehicle. Unknown if he's injured.
464-1033, subjects armed with a knife, refusing to come out, stage 91. Hey, watch out, bro. Hey, bro, come over here.
Get out of the way. Whoa. Hey, man, you're all right. Hey, dude, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. We don't need, you're okay.
Hey, go inside!
Get out of the house! There's a guy with a gun! Get away!
Get in the fucking house!
We got our guns out! Go away! Sir!
No!
Hey, man. We're okay. Hey, it's alright. You're okay.
464, it's gonna be a male white.
It's okay, man. You're not in trouble. Sir, get away! We have our guns pointed. We could shoot you. Move away! Hey, man, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Hey, man, you're not in trouble. It's not the end of the world, dude. Just put the knife down, okay? It's not a big deal, man. Don't worry about it. Okay, you're all right. Hey, it's not the end of the world, dude. Just put the knife down, and we can sort this out, all right? 462, get in here. Let's see.
Just keep talking to him, bro. Keep talking to him.
Hey, man, it's okay. I'm Deputy. What can I do to get you to comply?
464, subject still uncooperative inside his vehicle.
What can I get you to comply, man? You're doing all right. It's okay. Don't worry about it. You're not in trouble. It's just a car accident. It's an accident. You're not in trouble. We don't want to hurt you. Can you please put the knife down? Put the knife down, please, sir. What can I get you to do to comply? We don't want to hurt you. What can I do to help you?
Tell him we could take him to like a mental hospital or anything like that.
Hey, man, we can get you, we can take you to a hospital. Okay, do you have friends that you can talk to? We don't want to hurt you, dude. Hey,
what's up?
I'm thinking we push back, dude.
Yeah, but if he starts stabbing himself, we won't know, dude. Because he's facing the knife to him. If he starts stabbing himself, we gotta do something.
Yeah, but I mean, no, we don't. We don't have to do something if he starts stabbing himself. We don't want to hurt you, man.
I don't want to get too far where he books it, dude, and runs.
Yeah. Okay. Well, hey, don't here. Let's get left feet when he gets here. and we'll give announcements, and then we'll push back to the door. Hey man, just put the knife down. It's okay. Not the end of the world. We don't want to hurt you, dude. It's not that big of a deal. Just put the knife down.
It's going to be a black knife with about a 6-inch blade.
Hey man, it's okay. What can I do to get you to put the knife down, brother?
Plate's going to be...
Hey, I'm What's your name? What's your name, my friend? Hey dude, it's just a car accident. It's not the end of the world. There's no reason to
Hey, ask if his name's...
Is your name
64 copy.
Hey, I'm okay?
464.
And we want
Just
to
gonna be
out.
the driver, just confirmed it.
What can I do to help you?
The driver's gonna be...
Okay. We don't want to hurt you, man. I want to put this gun down, but I need you to put that knife away. We don't want to hurt you, dude. The last thing I want to do is hurt you. Okay? Can you put the knife down? Please. We're really here trying to help you out, okay?
What's up? It's Deputy man. Hey, dude. So, we're none of us want to hurt you, man, but you got a knife in your hand, and it's just a car accident, dude. It's not a big deal. Hey, I've been there, dude. I've messed up before. It's not that big of a deal. But what's going to end up happening is, you know, you got a knife, and we don't want to hurt you, dude, and that's really going to be a big deal. We just want to get you out of the car, and hey, man, and that's it. We don't want to hurt you. We just want to talk to you, man. But we can't do that if you have a knife in your hand. Well, you know, you know what? I've messed up too in my life. Okay, I have too, and I can tell you right now, people screw up, but it's not the end of the world. We get second chances, and what I would hate to see is you get hurt over this. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, you hit a car, you hit a mailbox. It's not that big of a deal. We just want to get you out, and we go from there. But if you have that knife in your hand, you know, unfortunately, we could end up hurting you, and that's not what we want to do. Okay, can you drop the knife, please?
I can't do that.
Okay, you're scaring us with that knife in your hand, man. Okay, none of us want to hurt you, like we said. And
I know.
there's better ways to resolve this than you know, anyone hurting each other, okay? It's just a car accident.
I know, but it's a thing, man.
Yeah. And like I said,
Obviously.
yeah, I don't know what you're going through, man. I'm not going to pretend like I know what you're going through. But I do want to help you, dude, okay? None of us want to...
Like, honestly, can I be honest with you? Thank you for not pretending to know what I'm going through. Because, like, I've talked with cops before, and they pretended to be like, oh, I know what you're going through, and you're being 100% with me, and I thank you for that.
Yeah, man, we all go through different things, and ultimately we're just here to get this resolved safely, dude, okay? I'd love to hear, you know, what's going on in your life, but we need you to put that knife down.
I'd love to tell you what's going on in my life, but we just don't have time for that right now, and I can't represent you. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, we got all the time in the world, brother, all right? We really do. There's no rush here, okay? We just, what can I do to get you to put that knife down, man? Is there anything I can do to, you know, to help you out here?
No, not really.
You're a good dude. You just made a mistake. This is a slap on the wrist.
Yeah, but no, at this point, it's over.
It's not, brother. I'm telling you, man. I really am. And especially at 23, bro. This is not over. You have a lot to look forward to, man. And I'm being honest, dude. You'll be able to go to that concert. It's a ticket, bro. It's considered a misdemeanor, not a big deal.
Come out with your hands up. Follow our commands and you'll be okay.
Knife in his right hand.
Knife in the right hand?
Knife in right hand.
Drop the knife and come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up. Hands up.
Still got the knife, you still got the knife.
Come out with your hands up. Hands up.
Still got the knife, you still got the knife.
Come out with your hands up. Just follow our commands and you'll be okay.
Knife in his right hand.
Drop the knife. Come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up. Hands up.
Still got the knife, you still got the knife.
One crossfire.
I got him right here.
Crossfire. Still on crossfire. Drop the knife.
Drop it, drop it. I'm cup him up.
Get this knife out. Get this knife out. Knife out. I got one.
You guys need a knife back? I got one.